So this is the smoothie that we're having today, like normal, but I guarantee you this is gonna be delicious. Yeah, so I've been killing it. 5 minutes is gonna just allow the flavors to marry. Familia, welcome to my channel and to another CCB Fit vlog. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the C Squad, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would also give this video a thumbs up. Good morning, you guys. So it's about 7:15 right now. It's Monday right now, the 17th. I'm going to do my usual morning routine, then go to the gym normal time. I think I'm going to be doing push day today. I'm gonna be working out with my cousin later this week. Me and my sister are gonna be working out with her on Wednesday, which will be really fun. I worked out with her on Saturday too, and we decided to do one day during the week as well. So I'm actually looking forward to that. I'm really excited. I feel a little bit hungry this morning. Hope you guys are having a good day so far, and I will check in with you guys probably in a little bit before I go to the gym. Hey guys, so it's 8:40 right now. I'm just literally about to leave to go to the gym, but I don't remember if I've mentioned this before, and if I have, I'm just gonna mention it again just to recommend you guys. The Lonnie New pre-workout in their pump is just absolutely delicious. I actually got this one off Amazon. They do sell it on Amazon, and you can also buy it off of Lonnie New's website. But you guys, the pink guava flavor is definitely, sorry, it's like not focusing, one of my favorites. I recommend this flavor and the Hawaiian shaved ice. These are vegan, so you know, no animals are harmed in the creation of these, and the flavors are really delicious. I don't know if I'm gonna get any clips at the gym today. I'm going to the bigger gym, and it's normally a little bit busier, and it's just a little bit harder to get any clips, but I'll definitely be able to pop up the workout so you guys can see what I end up doing today. I'm gonna be doing push day. My arm is still okay, so I'm gonna be doing upper body today. Also, I forgot to mention, but I have a banana that I'm gonna be bringing with me to eat because I'm actually pretty hungry, so I'm gonna be eating that on the way to the gym and drinking my pre-workout. And that's normally like my go-to if I am hungry before the gym, is just to have a piece of fruit, whether we have apples or we even have carrots. I was thinking about having carrots, but we don't have a lot of those left, and I kind of want them to last during the week, so I'm gonna go ahead and have a banana. Post workout, you guys. I felt really good today. When you start getting like consistent sleep, my sleep hasn't been terrible, but it hasn't been like really super consistent in the times I'm going to bed and waking up. But these past like 4 days, it's been like the same time going to bed, same time waking up, getting like 8 hours of sleep. I just have like this energy that's just cannot be replicated by anything but being well rested. So I did push day today. I didn't get any clips, and I also did a 300 rep ab challenge, and they both pushed me in a great way, and I just felt really good today. I don't know, I felt really good. I'm doing great on my water. So this is my first one of this, but I have drinking. This is what I was drinking this morning before the gym. So I'm gonna finish up these two, and then I'm gonna make a quick smoothie. I'm probably gonna make my typical smoothie, the one I've been loving with the almond butter. Did the ab challenge, you guys. Look at my abs. They're really like coming and popping, and I've been like really consistent with working them out more than I usually have. I wore this fit in one of my last fitness vlogs, and honestly I really like it. It's the purple Acta seamless pants. I have these in extra small. This is the Black Lives Matter, I don't know if you can tell, it's like a leopard print top. I just love the mixing of the colors, and I just wear my Adidas, my NMDs, and I just love this fit, you guys. And this bra, it's really open in the back. Yeah, so I've been killing it. Hey guys, so this is the smoothie that we're having today, like I normally have. We literally barely have any honey left, but I'm gonna finish it up. So I actually ended up getting the organic PB Fit this time. I literally ordered this, you guys. This is why I love Amazon. I literally ordered this yesterday, and by the time I woke up this morning and got moving, it was already here. I wasn't banking on that, but I'm really happy it is, because there's like barely any of this original one left. So I'm excited to see if the organic one tastes any different. But yeah, sometimes free one-day shipping is definitely the way to go. I've got my banana. I'm going to do a nice heaping spoonful of this. soy milk, of course, half a scoop of this, and then probably finish off this little bit of raw honey. And you guys, the banana I had before the gym was so good. I was like, oh my god, I should have gotten 2. ¿Cómo estás, you guys? It's about 2 p.m. right now, and I'm gonna make a quick flatbread pizza. So we don't have flatbread, but we have some pita. We have like a lot of pita because we got more, and I'm going to be making some curry this week, some chickpea curry that I made last week. That was just so freaking good. So I got more pita, but we have one left over from last week. So I'm just gonna make a small pizza. I'm not super hungry, but I had this idea last night and I'm really excited to try it. So what I've got here is, when we make pizza, you guys, we just use pasta sauce. Is that normal? I don't know, but we do it anyway, and it's perfectly fine. So I'm gonna use some of this old pasta sauce, onion. We got some onion, got some sun-dried tomatoes. Ooh, we also have banana peppers, so I'm gonna add some banana peppers. And I'm just gonna be using regular old cheese because this is what we have on hand, you guys. This is something I just thought of last night based on whatever we have. Pizzas, honestly, you guys, are super quick, super delicious, and just like, when you make your own pizza, I don't know, it just makes it taste better for some reason. So I also have peppers, so I'm gonna like make this yummy veggie pizza. I've just diced up some sun-dried tomatoes. I've never had them on a pizza, but I feel like it will be really good. Just a little bit of onion, and then I've got 1 pepper here. These are the 3 seasonings I'm going to use. I'm going to use some salt. I'm going to use my favorite vegetable seasoning in the whole wide world from Simply Organic. And then I'm also going to add some oregano. And then I'm also, you guys, going to add on some of these banana peppers. I love banana peppers on my pizza. So ideally, you want to put the flattest side down because that's going to allow it to crisp up the best. This part about, I think, making pizza on your own is like you can make it just how you like it. So if you guys have any suggestions for some good dairy-free cheese, definitely let me know. I don't use cheese enough to go out and personally buy some, but it would be nice to have it and just keep it on hand. This is what my pizza is looking like, and now I'm just gonna miss the whole thing with the cilantro, but it's perfectly fine. Honestly, I'm really excited to try it. So you can just eat it like this. I think we have a pizza, yeah, we have a pizza cutter, so I'm gonna go ahead and like slice it at least in half or maybe even quarters. What I want people to also know is that not all the best tasting food looks aesthetically pleasing, but I guarantee you this is gonna be delicious. About 3:30, this is my second water, so I'm gonna try and drink a good amount of this, but I ended up dropping half my pizza on the ground, so I had to throw it away, but the half that I ate was really good. We're about to go wash my car. I'll bring some water with me, but I will check back in with you guys for dinner. Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back from cleaning my car with my sister. It was really nice. It was actually really fun and warm outside. So I need to do better on my water. She's really pretty hungry, so I'm gonna have a banana quickly. My mom's gonna be making crab cakes for dinner. Crab cakes, I think she said, with asparagus and maybe some corn. So I will show you what I end up having for dinner, but I'm gonna have this as a quick snack. I think I got hungry so fast because I only ate half my pizza because the other half fell on the ground. But hey gang, so it's 7:04 right now. I'm about to go eat dinner. My mom just let me know that it was done, so I will show you guys my plate. And I'm actually really hungry, so it's been like a while low-key since I had that banana. I literally cleared my plate. Obviously, I was really hungry, but for dessert, I'm actually gonna have cereal, which is probably weird to other people, but it's really good. So I'm gonna mix 2 types of cereal. I'm gonna have a little bit of Raisin Bran and mix that with some of this cashew, drizzle some honey on it, and a little bit of granola, some soy milk. So that's what we do for dessert here. Anything that's gonna hit that sweet tooth, it works for me. So then drizzle some honey, and boom, soy milk, of course. Good morning, you guys. It is currently 23. I've done my normal routine as usual, working on my water, nothing out of the ordinary. I am dressed and ready to go for the gym right now. I'm wearing just Nike today. Pretty nice and sore from yesterday. Feeling strong though. My shoulders are just nicely coming in. I feel good this morning. Today we're gonna be doing quads and calves, and I already talked to my sister, so she's gonna help me get some clips so I can insert those for you guys. I'm going to go fix my water and my pre-workout, and I will see you guys very soon. I'm actually pretty hungry, so I might have a some fruit or a baggie of, I think I'm gonna have a baggie of nuts. And I'll show you guys the one I'm gonna have. This is what I'm gonna have really quickly, and then we're gonna head out to the workout. First workout, I'm feeling dead. The whole workout I was like, I don't want to do this, I don't want to be here, but we killed it today. Quads and calves just always leaves me feeling like, plus I started my period today, so it's like a lot to deal with. But anyway, I'm gonna make some waffles. My cousin came over, well, we worked out on Saturday, and she came over and she showed me this way. She puts like peanut butter and honey on her waffles, so I think I'm gonna do that. And also add like some fresh strawberries, so I'm gonna make that really quick because I'm really hungry. It's 11:10. We've been home for a while now, but I'm really hungry. Like, I want something to eat. Also, something else I want to try is putting in a scoop or two of this into my waffles. So let's see how this goes.
I put in 2 scoops of this with a little bit of pancake mix. So it smells peanut butter delicious, so we'll see how it tastes. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. So this is gonna help to add some protein and make it more filling. Number 2, put a ton of strawberries everywhere because strawberries are everything, and you guys already know I'm all here for the razzle dazzle, and strawberries add that. I'm going to add a little drizzle of honey, and we'll see how we go.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, my hair looks a little crazy. I've got deep conditioner in it and I want to sleep in it, so I'm just gonna let it dry out and I'll wash it out tomorrow. This is my second water. It's 3:30 now. I'm working a little slow on water today, and it's alright, it happens. I haven't eaten lunch, but I did have a plate of vegetables for a snack with some hummus, and I'll pop up for you guys what I had. And then I had one fruit bar earlier, and I'm about to have another one now. It's 3:30 now. I talked to my sister. She said she really wants me to start dinner early, so I'm gonna be making it at 4. I made curry last week. Every single day since then, my sister has been begging me to make this curry again. So I'm making it today because we're gonna go see my cousin tomorrow, and I wanted to be able to bring her some leftovers so she could try it. So at about 30 minutes, I will be going to make my curry, which I'm really excited because honestly, you guys, it's so good. And it's really filling too, especially with the pita and the rice and the chickpea. So that's another reason why I decided like I'm not gonna eat super heavy for lunch, because I know that that dinner is so full. Even when I have a small bowl of it, I just get so full. So at 4:15 now, I'm about to get started on some dinner. I'm just gonna be starting off with the rice, cooking this by the instructions. And once I get this ball rolling, I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking the curry in our cast iron. And I also have some of these multi-grain chips. These are so good because I'm actually pretty hungry. My mom gets these from Costco and they're really good. So I'm just snacking on that. garlic.
Got a spectator. She's like the sous chef that's there, but doesn't really do anything but stir.
I went ahead and added in this ginger. I added in the garlic as well, salt, pepper, and curry. And this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna stir it for another minute or so, and then add in some other ingredients. It smells really good also, you guys. This 1 can of coconut milk. This is the coconut milk we have. The recipe calls for crushed tomatoes, but we have diced tomatoes.
Set a timer for 15 minutes.
Still want to spray it. Makes it more cilantro. You're just going to top this on your bowl. It's going to add a good amount of, you guys already know what it is, razzle dazzle. Honestly, this recipe is really easy. So the curry has been simmering for about 15 minutes. Next step is to add in the chickpeas, and then you let those cook for about 5 minutes. So when I put the chickpeas in, that's when I'm going to be putting the naan bread in the oven, and both of those are going to cook for 5 minutes, and then they will be done. And the rice, of course, is already done. So you guys, you should smell this. It just smells so good. Going to set 5 minutes. Is going to just allow the flavors to marry, warm up those chickpeas. I like the chunky tomatoes, it just adds like a nice level of flavor as well. I'm going to hit it with the, you know, the salt man up my naan bread, so it's like in pieces, but you can just like honestly just drop it on there. So this is the finished product, you guys, and when I tell you it's delicious, it's everything. It's so freaking delicious. So good. Hey guys, so my sister had this idea to get some ice cream for dessert, so we went to McDonald's and I got a caramel sundae. Slightly overdid the caramel, but it was really good, so I'm gonna finish this up and then just chill for the night. And I want to thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on my CC Me Fit vlog. I love you guys, and I'm so appreciative of you guys taking time out of your day to watch me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That just lets you know you like this kind of content and supports my channel. And of course, subscribe to become part of the C Squad Familia. We'd be so blessed to have you, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Have a great day. Bye.